Welcome to our channel. If you've decided to permanently delete your Target account and remove all your personal information from their system, follow these simple steps to complete the process. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to target.com. Sign in to your Target account using your registered email address and password to access your account settings. Step 2. Click on your account name or icon in the top right corner of the page. Select Account from the drop-down menu to view your account options. Step 3. Scroll down to find the Privacy or Account Settings section. Look for options related to account management or data privacy. Step 4. Since Target doesn't offer direct account deletion through the website, you'll need to contact Target Guest Services. Click on Help or Contact Us at the bottom of the page. Step 5. Choose to contact Target via chat, phone, or email. Explain that you want to permanently delete your account and request account closure. Step 6. Provide any verification information requested by the customer service representative, such as your name, email, and account details to confirm your identity. Step 7. After your request is submitted, Target will process your account deletion. You should receive a confirmation email within a few business days, verifying that your account has been permanently deleted and your data removed from their system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.